This is the video where I'm going to go over the parts of my CO2 car that you see here. This is pretty much fully assembled without the wheels. The last step, I'm going to put some wheels on it and with polished axles, some racing wheels. But this is before we actually get to the wheel step. What I have is I have some brass rod. 3 millimeters is the diameter of the brass rod. I've cut it to lengths. This rod is the short rod that holds this piece in the back, which actually holds the hammer. The next size rod is the rod that's here that holds the little catch cam piece, as well as the hammer that you see. In the hammer I have 2 screws which I've sharpened to a point, and in the hammer that I have here, the medium hammer, I put 4 pine wood derby weights that are 3/8 in diameter, and they're available through MaximumVelocity.com. I also have a brass square rod, 1/8 inch in diameter, which the bumper is pushed onto, and I've taken and I've drilled a hole about 1.5 millimeters, 1.5 millimeters, which is going to hold the safety that we have on the car, which is just a normally tack. These parts are cut. These sear in the cam are cut out of acrylic plastic. The springs, I've got them out of a spring kit that was available in most hardware stores. I got the springs, and for fastening the springs I've used these number 4 solder connectors. They attach to the spring here and then attach to the rod. This particular rod goes down here, and the throw hammer, which is this piece, which is threaded 3 millimeters, goes on this side and then is capped off by screws, as you can see in the picture right over here. So those are the pieces. Assembly, I have a car pretty much already assembled, but I will put in the push rod, and I have drilled a hole that came after I sized it up so I could put the safety catch in there. And I have another video that actually shows how the car really fires, but this is the parts that are involved, and hopefully you'll find that very helpful. Thanks for watching.